All right, we are about to break down the one concept that is powering almost all of the incredible AI you see out there today, the neural network. You ever wonder how your phone unlocks just by looking at your face? Or how a smart assistant just gets what you're saying? Or how a self-driving car can actually navigate a busy street? Well, the answer to all of that, the core technology behind it all, is the neural network. It is literally the brain behind the machine. And here's a promise. By the end of this quick explainer, you are going to understand this concept better than most of the engineers you work with. So let's dive in. Okay, so what is a neural network, really? Let's just strip away all the jargon and get right to the core idea. At its heart, it's a machine learning model. But the key word here, the really important one, is inspired. It's modeled directly after our own brains, a whole system of interconnected neurons that are built to do one thing: find patterns in the chaos of data. This comparison makes it super, super clear. Our brain uses biological neurons. A neural network uses artificial ones. We learn from our experiences. The network learns from just massive amounts of data. And the end goal? It's pretty much the same. We make decisions, and the network makes predictions. So, if it's like a brain, how is it actually structured? You might be surprised at how simple the basic blueprint really is. It all comes down to just 3 layers. First up, you've got the input layer. Just think of this like our senses. It takes in all the raw data, whether that's pixels from an image, words from a text, or just numbers. Next, you have the hidden layers, and this is where all the magic happens. These are the processing cores, layers and layers of neurons doing tons of calculations to find those patterns. And finally, the output layer gives you the clean, final answer. Cat or not a cat. Okay, so now we know the structure, but how does the information actually move through it? What's that process look like from start to finish? Well, it's basically a one-way street. Data flows in from the input layer, gets chewed on and processed by the hidden layers, and then a result comes out the other side, the output layer. In the biz, this is called a forward pass. It's clean, it's simple, and it's direct. I love this factory analogy because it makes it crystal clear. Imagine raw materials, like wood and steel, entering a factory. That's your input data. The assembly line, with all its crazy machinery shaping and combining everything, those are your hidden layers. And that final, polished car rolling off the line, that's your output, the network's final prediction. Okay, so that's the theory. But where is this technology actually changing our world? Let's take a look at it in action. Let's take a classic example, identifying a cat in a photo. The input is just a grid of pixel values, nothing special. But then, the first hidden layers might start detecting simple things like edges and corners. The next layers will combine those to recognize basic shapes like ears or a tail or whiskers. Then the deeper layers combine those shapes into even more complex patterns, until finally, the output layer says with confidence, yep, that's a cat. And this one single idea is the engine behind so much of modern AI. It powers huge language models like ChatGPT, it's the vision system inside self-driving cars, it's how your phone understands what you say, and it's how streaming services somehow seem to read your mind. So here's the crucial part, knowing how to talk about this. Imagine you're in an interview, and someone asks you to define a neural network. Here is exactly how you nail that question.
This is it. This is your perfect, concise answer. Just say, a neural network is a machine learning model inspired by the human brain, consisting of layers of neurons that process data and learn patterns to make predictions. Boom, nailed it. It's clear, it's accurate, and it shows you totally get the big picture.
So we've covered the big picture. We've got the layers, we've got the flow of data. But wait a minute, that leaves one huge question, right? We know these layers of neurons all work together, but how does a single neuron, one tiny little node, actually decide anything? How does it learn whether to fire off and pass information along? Well, that tiny decision-making switch inside each and every neuron is controlled by something called an activation function. And that is the real magic behind all of this. And it's exactly what we're going to break down in our next explainer. I'll see you there.